How you breathe can really affect your brain and body, so let's get into it. First off, why do people mouth breathe? Well, it can be due to nasal congestion from allergies, a deviated septum, or even just the habit of keeping your mouth open. It seems harmless, right? But here's the kicker. Mouth breathing can have some pretty serious consequences. When you breathe through your mouth, you're not filtering the air as effectively as you do through your nose. This means more dust, allergens, and even bacteria can enter your system. Plus, mouth breathing can actually change the structure of your face over time, leading to dental issues and even altering your jawline. Now, how does this all affect your brain and body? Regular mouth breathing can lower the amount of oxygen that reaches your brain. This can lead to fatigue, lack of focus, and even anxiety. When your brain is starved for oxygen, you're not functioning at your best. It's like trying to run a marathon on an empty tank. There's also a strong link between mouth breathing and sleep issues. If you're waking up tired, snoring, or even dealing with sleep apnea, mouth breathing might be to blame. When you breathe through your mouth at night, you're more likely to have fragmented sleep, which can affect your overall health and mood. So how do you fix it and start breathing properly? First, practice nasal breathing during the day. Make a conscious effort to keep your mouth closed and breathe through your nose. Nasal strips or saline sprays can help if you're dealing with congestion. Another tip is to improve your sleep environment. Elevate your head slightly to help keep your airways open, and consider using a humidifier to keep the air moist. And if you're still struggling, especially if you suspect sleep apnea, talk to a healthcare professional. Switching to nasal breathing might take some effort, but trust me, your brain and body will thank you. It's a simple change that can have a big impact on your health and well-being. All right, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching, and breathe easy.